Studio. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine. And this time we'll talk about the brand structure as well. It's mean as like as this as long as and this topic and this structure is so much easy, but it's mean when she or he said me about this topic, he don't understand about this topic. That's why today I think I need to make one video about this topic. Then watch her within 5 sentences. I will try to complete this structure. Watch her properly. যতক্ষণ ততক্ষণ যতদিন ততদিন is whole conducted with as long as. Your fluency will grow as long as you speak in English. যতক্ষণ তুমি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলবে ততক্ষণ তোমার ফ্লুয়েন্সি বৃদ্ধি পাবে। যতদিন তোমার পিতামাতা বেঁচে রয়েছে ততদিন তোমার ভাগ্য অনেক ভালো বা তুমি সৌভাগ্যবান। You are so lucky as long as your parents are alive. I won't go outside as long as it rains. It means যতক্ষণ বাহিরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে বা যতক্ষণ বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে ততক্ষণ আমি বাহিরে বের হব না বা আমি বাহিরে যাব না। যতক্ষণ আমরা একসঙ্গে মিলেমিশে থাকবো ততক্ষণ কেউ আমাদেরকে পরাজিত করতে পারবে না। No one can defeat us as long as we stay united. Then you make videos. That's why যতক্ষণ তুমি ভিডিও বানাবে ততক্ষণ তোমার ভয় কাজ করবে না। No, your fear will stay away as long as you make videos. Within a 5 sentences, maybe you have already learned this topic. As long as this topic, then that's all about. And don't forget to make a comment about this topic you understand or not. Then that's all about. Thank you very much, and don't forget to follow my page. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.